Hello everyone, so this is my CVS haul for this week, August 6 to August 12 of 2023. So finally we're back from our 2 weeks vacation in Philippines. So I enjoyed every single second, minutes, and hours that I spent time with my mom and my dad and also with my siblings. So it's a reunion, it's a family reunion. So we went also to different places in our province. So I miss the province life. And then this coming week, I have lot of doctor's appointment. I have physician. I have a bone injection. So I need to see my oncologist also, and then I need to see specialist for the for my bone. So I need to see an orthopedic also. So it's gonna be full this August. So in the first transaction, I used the $20 off 80 purchase CRT. So I combined the deal of the spend 40 and get $10 extra bucks reward. And then Dove is buy 2 and get $4 extra bucks reward. Is buy 1 get 1 50% off. Aveeno is spend 12 and get $4 extra bucks reward. And then the Garnier Fructus shampoo and conditioner is buy 2 and get $2 extra bucks reward. For the spend 40, I bought 4 Axe. The other end, so the Axe is $7.79, and then the 50% off is $3.90. I bought 4 Axe the other end, and then I used 2 buy 1 get 1 free manufacturing coupon from Save. So I deduct the full amount, the $7.50. And then the Allspice is buy 1 get 1 50% off. There is $5 digital coupon in CVS app, and then there is $2 rebate also in IBOTTA. It's a limit of 4. So it's priced for $8.29, and then the 50% off is $4.15, and then the other one is regular price, $8.29. So this is my spend 40, 4 Axe and 3 Dove, 3 Allspice. And then for the Dove spray is buy 1 get 1 50% off, buy 2 get $4 extra bucks reward. It's priced for $9.49. And then the 50% off is $4.75. And for the spend 12 and get $4 extra bucks reward, they don't have they only have 1 Aveeno baby wipe. So I grabbed the Aveeno baby soothing bath treatment. This is priced for $8.49. And then the lotion, this is priced for $8.49 also. I use $2.50 Aveeno printable coupon from Coupon.com, and then $2.50 digital coupon for Aveeno. And then the Garnier Fructus is buy 2 and get $2 extra bucks reward. There is $3 off 2 Garnier printable coupon from Coupon.com, and then the $3 digital coupon glitch. So this is priced for $4.79. So this is my $20 off 80 purchase CRT. I got 4 Axe, 3 Allspice, 2 Dove, 2 Aveeno, and 2 Garnier Fructus. So the 4 Axe the other end are $23.38. The 3 Allspice are $20.73. The 2 Dove the other end are $14.24. The Aveeno sitting bath is $8.49. The lotion is $8.49. The 2 Garnier hair care is $9.58. My soft total are $84.91. I used the $20 off 80 CRT. 2 Axe buy 1 get 1 manufacturing coupon from Save. It deduct the full amount, $7.50. So the 2 are $15. I used the $5 Allspice digital coupon. $2.50 Dove manufacturing coupon from Save. So total are $5. 1 Aveeno printable coupon from Coupon.com, $2.50 Aveeno digital coupon, $3 of 2 Garnier Fructus printable coupon from Coupon.com, and then the $3 Garnier digital coupon glitch. My total are $28.91. I used $17 extra bucks reward, and then I used the $10 Care Pass. I only paid $5 for that. So total, I use $22 plus $1.38 out of pocket. So total are $23.38. I got 19 extra bucks reward. I got my 10 from the Axe. I got my 4 from the Dove. I got my 4 from the Aveeno and 2 from the Garnier Fructus. and then $6 rebate in IBOTTA. So I got $25, making it free plus $1.62 money maker. So this is my receipt, and I use my Fetch gift card in my 4th transaction. First, second, third, and fourth, I use the gift card. So everything went smoothly. All the digital coupon and CRT came off. I paid $1.38. So this is the CarePass that I use. I only paid $5 for that. I used my gift card. I saved $100.19. Total savings is 99%. And this is the extra box that I got. I got my 3 from the Aveeno. I got my 4 from the Dove. I got my 10 from the Spend 40. I got my 2 from the Garnier Fructus. And then I got 15 of 75 CRT. And then I got my $6 rebate in IBOTTA. And then I used those extra box reward. I clipped this extra box reward for the second transaction. I used my $10 off 60 purchase CRT. I got a lot of purchase CRT. So I combined the deal of the St. Ives or Caress body wash. It's buy 2 and get $3 extra box reward. There is no coupon. I don't have coupon. So if you have coupon, it will be nice. So this is on regular price for $4.79. And then the Garnier whole blend is buy 2 and get $2 extra box reward. The promotion is different from the Garnier Fructus. There is $3 off 2 Garnier whole blend printable coupon from coupon.com, and then the $3 off 2 Garnier digital coupon glitch. So I picked the coconut water shampoo and conditioner. And then the Colgate toothpaste is spend $10 and get $5 extra box reward. This is priced for $5.99. And then there is $1 digital coupon, and there is $1 printable coupon also from coupon.com. So I got 2 Colgate toothpaste. And then the Crest toothpaste is buy 2 and you will get a $5 extra box reward. So this is priced for $6.49. This is the 7.2 ounce. I used the $3 off 2 Crest digital coupon, and my $2 Crest toothpaste digital coupon came off also. And then the Gillette Fusion Skin Guard or Venus razor is buy 2 and get $8 extra box reward. So I picked the Gillette Fusion. I used 1 printable coupon from P&G website and 1 $3 Gillette digital coupon. So this is my $10 off 60 purchase CRT. I got 2 St. Ives, 2 Garnier whole blend, 2 Colgate, 2 Crest, and then 2 Gillette Fusion 5. And this is my note for my deal. So the 2 St. Ives body wash are $9.58. The 2 Garnier whole blend are $10.58. The 2 Colgate toothpaste are $11.98. The 2 Crest toothpaste are $12.98. The 2 Gillette Fusion are $19.98. It's priced for $9.99. My soft total are $65.10. I used the 10 of 60 purchase CRT. And then $3 off 2 Garnier printable coupon from coupon.com. The $3 off 2 Garnier whole blend digital coupon glitch. $1 Colgate printable coupon. $1 Colgate digital coupon. $3 off Crest digital coupon. And then my $2 off Crest digital coupon glitch. I had 2 digital coupon for Crest. And then $3 Gillette digital coupon, and then 1 Gillette printable coupon from P&G website. My total are $36.10. I used $19 extra box reward, and then I use total of $17.07 CVS gift card that I redeem in Fetch because I don't have a lot of extra box. So total are $36.07. I got $22 extra box in total, making it $14.07 for 10 items or $1.40 each. So I got my 8 in Gillette, I got my 5 in Crest, 5 in Colgate, 2 in St. Ives, and 2 in Garnier. So this is my receipt. So everything went smoothly. So the glitch in Garnier, and then the Crest. And then all the digital coupon came off, and then my CRT came off. So here, I used total of 19 extra bucks and then $17 off gift card. So I see $55.63. Total savings is 77%. Then I got my $2 from the St. Ives, $5 from the Colgate, $5 from the Crest. I got my $2 also for the Garnier Whole Blend and $8 for the Gillette razor. And then in the third transaction, this is different card. I use again the $20 off purchase CRT. So I combined the deal of the Garnier Fructus. So it's buy 2 and get $2 extra bucks reward. I use the $3 printable coupon from coupon.com and then the $3 digital coupon glitch. So it's priced for $4.79. And then the soft body wash or Iris Spring body wash or soft hand soap refill is buy 2 and get $4 extra bucks reward. This is priced for $6.59. There is $2.50 coupon in CVS app. And then the Aveeno or Johnson's baby items is spend $12 and get $4 extra bucks reward. So they only have one of the Aveeno baby wipes. This is priced for $5.99. So I got again another soothing bath treatments. This is priced for $8.49. I use one digital coupon for Aveeno and one printable coupon for the Aveeno. And then for my spend 40 and get $10 extra bucks reward, I bought 4 Axe deodorants. So it's buy one get one 50% off. So it's priced for $7.79. The 50% off is $3.90. So same in the other pair. Regular price and then 50% off. I use 2 Axe buy one get one manufacturing coupon from Save and it deduct the full amount. And then the Tide liquid, the 92 ounce, is $12.99. I use 2 $3 manufacturing coupon from Save. There is $3 digital coupon also in CVS app. You can buy one Tide or one Tide pants if you want. They both have digital coupon. So this is my note for my $20 off 80 purchase CRT. So I got 2 soft, 2 Garnier, 2 Aveeno, 4 Axe, and 2 Tide. So the 2 Garnier are $9.58. The 2 soft are $13.18. The Aveeno is $5.99. The Aveeno soothing bath is $8.49. The 4 Axe deodorant are $23.38. The 2 Tide liquid are $25.98. My soft total are $86.60. I use the $20 off 80 purchase CRT, $3 off Garnier manufacturing coupon, $3 off 2 Garnier digital coupon glitch, $2.50 for soft as a digital coupon, $2.50 Aveeno printable coupon, and then $2.50 Aveeno digital coupon, 2 Axe buy one get one manufacturing coupon. So the two coupons are $15. It deduct the full amount. And then $3 off Tide manufacturing coupon from Save. So total are $6. My total are $32.10. I use $17 extra bucks reward. Plus the Care Pass. I only paid $5 for the Care Pass. So total are $22. Plus $4.46 out of pocket. I used the gift card. So total are $26.46. I got $19 extra bucks in total, making it $7.46 for 12 items or 62 cents each. So this is my receipt. So everything went smoothly. There's no problem in the coupon. So the glitch in Garnier and my CRT came off. So I paid $4.46. I saved $101.32. Total savings is 96%. And then I got my $3 from the Aveeno. I got my $10 for the spend 40. I got my $4 from the soft. I got my $2 from the Garnier. And then I got another 15 off 75 your next purchase. So in my last transaction, so this is the same card, I used the 15 off 75 purchase CRT. So I did again the deal of the Garnier Whole Blend. It's buy 2 and get $2 extra bucks reward. It is priced for $5.29. There is $3 off 2 Garnier printable coupon from the coupon.com, and then the $3 off 2 Garnier Whole Blend digital coupon glitch. The Crest is buy 2 and get $5 extra box reward. It is priced for $6.49. I used the $3 off Crest digital coupon and my $2 Crest, another $2 Crest digital coupon glitch. And then the Gillette Fusion or Skin Guard or Venus is buy 2 and $8 extra box reward. So I pick one Gillette Venus. This is $9.99. There is $3 digital coupon, and then there is $3 digital coupon also for the Gillette Fusion. I use a digital coupon for Gillette and then the printable coupon for the Venus. And then for the Boost, it's buy 4 and get $8 extra box reward. It's buy 1 get 1 50% off. There is $7 off 2 Boost digital coupon that glitch with the paper coupon. So this is priced for $11.79, and then the 50% off is $5.90. Same in the other pair. I used two $7 off 2 manufacturing coupon from Save and the digital coupon glitch. So this is my note for the 15 of 75 purchase CRT. So I got 4 Boost, 2 razor, 2 toothpaste, and 2 hair care. So this is my note for the 15 of 75 purchase CRT. The 2 Garnier Whole Blend are $10.58. The 2 Crest toothpaste are $12.98. The Venus razor is $9.99. The Gillette Fusion is $9.99. The 4 Boost drink are $35.38. My soft total are $78.92. I use the 15 of 75 purchase CRT. $3 Garnier Whole Blend printable coupon from coupon.com. $3 Garnier Whole Blend digital coupon. $3 off 2 Crest digital coupon. $2 off Crest digital coupon. It's glitched in the system. Then $3 Gillette digital coupon and $3 off Venus printable coupon from PNG website. Then $2 $7 off 2 Boost drink manufacturing coupon from Save. So the total are $14. And then the $7 off 2 digital coupon glitch. My total are $25.92. I used the $19 extra box reward that I earned in the third transaction. And then I used $6.81 gift card that I redeemed in Fetch. So total are $25.81. I got $23 extra box reward in total, making it $2.81 for 10 items or 28 cents each. So this is my receipt in my last transactions. Everything went smoothly. And then the glitch in Garnier, Crest, and then Boost, 3 glitch. And then all the CRT came off, and then I used the $19 extra box reward. I paid $6.81 using the gift card. I saved $91.49. Total savings is 93%. And then I got my $5 from the Crest. I got my $8 from the Gillette. I got my $2 from the Garnier Whole Blend. I got my $8 from the Boost. So I did not get any CoverGirl because I don't have those CoverGirl eye pencil that a money maker. So my final cost for second, third, and fourth are $24.34. And then I have a $1.62 money maker in the first transaction. So the final costs are $22.72 for 45 items or 50 cents each. I saved $348.63. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.